Today we're going to be taking a look at an electric jack for A-frame trailers. This jack lets you raise and lower your A-frame trailer. It has a lift capacity of 3,500 pounds. The jack is fuse protected with a 500 volt 30 amp fuse. Here on the front it's going to feature two toggle switches. This is going to let you operate the jack. So you're going to have an on and off switch right here that controls the light, and then you're going to have an extend and retract switch that controls the up and down movement of the jack. Now again, it does feature an LED light that illuminates at a downward angle to help you focus on your coupler. Really comes in handy when hooking up or disconnecting at night or in low light conditions. It's going to come with an emergency crank handle that allows you to manually operate the jack if needed. That's this unit right here. Really nice design. That connects here at the top of the jack, so you just remove this cap. The cap has a nice seal on it, so it's going to do a good job at keeping out dirt and moisture from that compartment. But inside there is the connection point for the crank handle. Again, that's going to allow for manual operation if needed. It does also come with a drop leg. So you pull this pin and clip, the drop leg will extend. That allows for increased lift, and it's going to save time when raising or lowering your trailer. The pin and clip holds the drop leg at the desired location. And at the bottom of that drop leg is the welded on footplate. It's going to have a diameter of 5.5 inches. A footplate does a great job at spreading out the applied weight, especially on softer surfaces, to help prevent sinking. The unit's made from a steel construction. We're going to have a black powder coated finish on the outer tube and on the mounting plate, and then a zinc finished inner tube and footplate. So all in all, the unit's going to do a great job at resisting rust and corrosion, lasting a long time, and looking good for a long time. It's a simple bolt-on installation. Mounting hardware not included. It's going to bolt to any standard A-frame trailer that has an attachment point for a round trailer jack. And then it does come with 3 flat washers and 3 serrated washers. You're going to get a power wire. It's already connected, so all you got to do is hook that up to power. It's going to wire to a 12 volt power source with the included power lead. And then again, the flat and serrated washers included for getting a good ground connection. So it's going to ground through the mounting hardware. A few measurements I want to go over with you real quick. We're going to take a look at the bracket height with it retracted and extended, and then I'm also going to hook it up to power and show you how it operates. But right now it's fully retracted. So if we take a measurement from the ground to the bottom of that mounting plate, that's going to give us a retracted height measurement of 9 inches. Now I also did that measurement with the jack fully extended and got a measurement of 28.5 inches. So that means this unit's going to give a lift or travel of 19.5 inches. The drop leg on the unit provides an additional 5 5/8 of an inch of lift or travel. So when you combine the two travel measurements, that's going to give you a total travel of up to 25 1/8 of an inch. The clearance that we have from the bottom of the bracket to the top of the jack, that's going to give us a measurement of about 20.5 inches. Again, from the bottom here to the top of the jack, clearance of around 20.5 inches. The outer tube is going to give us a diameter of 2 1/4. The inner tube gives us a diameter of 2 inches. And then real quick, I just want to show you the drop leg. To gain access to that, all you have to do is pull this pin and clip. And that's our drop leg. So you can see that we have a multi-hole design for adjustment. The distance between those holes, center on center, is 1 7/8 of an inch. So that's going to be the incremental height adjustment for the drop leg. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to power. I'll show you the LED light, and I'll show you how quiet the jack is and how easily it operates. So we're going to take our power wire, and I got a power box under here that I'm going to connect it to. And then to ground, I'm just going to connect it to the clip here. I need a metal connection there. So here's my LED light. Again, that's going to cast light at a downward angle towards the coupler area. See, that sends out a nice consistent signal. It's really going to help illuminate where you're working. And then to raise the jack, you just push up on this toggle switch. Really nice, quiet, easy operation. To retract it, you just push down on that toggle switch. And then there is a stop indicator on there, which is going to be right at the top of that pin for the drop leg. That's going to do it for today's look at the electric jack for A-frame trailers.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.